Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamaarz. Today, we have an exciting product review for you, unleashing the power of clean. A comprehensive review of the 20,000 mAh high-pressure car wash gun in the world of automotive care. The 20,000 mAh high-pressure car wash gun has emerged as a game-changer, promising to revolutionize the way we clean our vehicles. Packed with a substantial 20,000 mAh battery capacity, this product aims to provide a powerful and convenient solution for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. In this review, we will delve into its features, performance, and overall value to determine if it lives up to the hype. The first thing that catches the eye is the sleek and ergonomic design of the high-pressure car wash gun. Crafted with a robust build, it exudes durability and is designed to withstand the rigors of regular use. The quality of materials used in its construction inspires confidence, and the attention to detail in the design ensures a comfortable and user-friendly experience. The standout feature of this car wash gun is undoubtedly its impressive 20,000 mAh battery capacity. This substantial power reserve translates to an extended usage time without the need for frequent recharging, making it a reliable companion for demanding cleaning tasks. The high-pressure functionality ensures that dirt, grime, and stubborn stains are blasted away effortlessly, leaving your vehicle sparkling clean. One of the key strengths of the high-pressure car wash gun is its versatility. It comes with adjustable pressure settings, allowing users to customize the water pressure according to the cleaning task at hand. Whether you're tackling delicate surfaces or stubborn mud on your tires, this product provides the flexibility needed for a variety of applications. The inclusion of multiple nozzles further enhances its adaptability, making it suitable for different cleaning scenarios. Equipped with a user-friendly interface, the high-pressure car wash gun is easy to operate, even for those with minimal experience in car detailing. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. The straightforward assembly and disassembly of components also make it a hassle-free tool to maintain. The inclusion of a rechargeable battery enhances the portability of this car wash gun. With no need for a constant power source, users can take it anywhere, whether cleaning their own driveway or offering detailing services on the go. The compact design and convenient carrying case further contribute to its portability, making it a practical solution for car owners and professionals alike. The 20,000 mAh high-pressure car wash gun proves to be a formidable contender in the world of automotive cleaning tools. Its powerful performance, versatile functionality, and user-friendly design make it a standout product for both enthusiasts and professionals. The investment in quality materials and attention to detail in its construction reflect in its durability, ensuring that this car wash gun will be a reliable companion for the long haul. If you're in the market for a high-pressure cleaning solution that combines power with convenience, the 20,000 mAh high-pressure car wash gun deserves serious consideration.